I have written some examples to understand what we discussed in the previous two videos. Let us take the examples one by one. Now, first example, first of all, we can see there are three terms. So it is a trinomial. So first of all, it is a trinomial. The constants, look at the variables. There is only one variable. So we are noting down various things. There is only one variable, which is here y, and this is the constant term without any variable. Okay. So now if I ask you, what is the coefficient of y? So obviously the answer is coefficient means without y, and then whatever is remaining along with the sign, the constant part is called the coefficient of y. So coefficient of y is minus root 5. So it is minus root 5. So if somebody asks you, what is the coefficient of, say, okay, let me write it here only. Say coefficient of y to the power 0. What is coefficient of y to the power 0? Here you can see there is no y to the power 0, but the constant term I can imagine as y to the power 0. So in this case, the answer is minus 0.07. So if you come to the second example, then the second example contains two terms and hence it is a binomial. So first and foremost, this is a binomial. How many variables? Now here you can see I have used two variables. Binomial, we say it is a binomial in two variables. The variables are here x and y. There is no constant term here. So if somebody asks you, what is the coefficient of, say, y to the power 0? Since there is no constant term, so coefficient of y to the power is 0. Because here you can imagine as if 0 into y to the power 0 is present. So that is the thing. And this is something I have written for the first time. One term in the polynomial which has two variables. So this is an example in two variables. Now come to this. So this is a monomial. This is also a monomial. And this is a constant polynomial.